Welcome back to the Cryptoverse YouTube channel, and I am back with another video for you guys. So today we are just going to be checking in on the overall market, seeing where Bitcoin is sitting, and checking in on some altcoin positions that I am in currently. So let's hop straight on into it. Market cap is sitting at about 1.5 trillion, so we're still hovering around that same area. We've been around 1.5 to 1.7 for these last couple of weeks. The volume, 24-hour volume, is down to 91 billion, still in the same range that we've been like for the market cap for this last couple of weeks. And the Bitcoin dominance is slightly going up, and ETH dominance is coming down. The overall market cap is down, or the overall market is down 1.5% basically. And in Bitcoin, here, let's go back to the first page. Bitcoin is at 36,000 and up 1% for the day and almost down 1% for the week. Ethereum is down 2.7%. And then we have Binance coming in at 1%. Cardano down almost 3.5%. And then let's hop straight on into these weekly gainers. AMP up almost 100%. Chili's up 20%. Theta Fuel still ripping. Waves up 3%. And Bitcoin Gold up 1%. I don't know why I'd buy Bitcoin Gold when you could just buy Bitcoin, but yeah. So let's hop straight on into the charts. So with Bitcoin here, we saw a very large abnormal range candle that happened 2 days ago. So, and it happened on high volume too. So what I like to do is I put a box around this high volume area, and when we come back to test into this area, like right now we're testing it, I want to see us hold this area. So I don't want to see us come down here. We can wick down here, but I don't want to see us close below the bottom of this box at around 33,000. So the top of this high volume area is at 37,000. If we can break this box to the upside with high volume, then that'll give me more confluence and more strength that we can break this box and continue above this resistance line here, which is at, we seem to be hitting heads at 41,000, 39,000, and 38,000. So those are some pretty strong levels of resistance for Bitcoin right now. And then I'm going to get some price projections for if we do end up breaking this, because a trend formed back here. So let's get the downside. So to the downside first, if we were to break this here, so from price where we are now, I have a price target of 27,000. That's 24% down from where we are now, but it can go farther than that. 24,000, maybe even 22,000. But I think the more likely targets would be this 24,000 or 27,000. So, and also with this here, can get like a projection. So if, okay, there, from where we are now, what price, if it goes down this same range of where the market sentiment changed on May 19th, we would be at around 24,000. But here we have a 50% level of this trend that's forming. So this here will probably play as some support, 27,000, 28,000. So that is why I have this target of 27,000. And then if we zoom into the 6-hour chart here, we are still within this symmetrical triangle here, but we are forming lower highs, and then the bottoms are kind of all out of whack. So we had a higher low here, and then we broke this previous low here, and then we came back to this low. So the lows are kind of all out of whack. So we're just in a range here, kind of. So we're just waiting on Bitcoin to make a move, pretty much. But here we, as you can see, we're kind of like trying to build up some support here at here around 35,000. So if we can, like I said, break this box with some high volume, then that'll be a sign for me that there's potential that we can come up here and break this 38,000 level. And then let me give you guys some price targets for if we do break this to the upside, the symmetrical triangle to the upside. Oops. So here we have some resistance here at 41,000. But for some price targets, it'll be at 44,000 would be a price target for me, which will put us above our market sentiment day, and I think that will put us above our 50% level for this overall drop here. What is that with me today? I just can't get any. Come on now. There. Okay. There we go. Finally. I wasn't holding it. So that will put us just below our 50% level at 47,000 for this whole move. So like I've been saying for this whole time, we want to see us get back above this major 50% level here so we can regain support here and just try and get above here and build a base here and then continue up. And then also on the 6-hour chart, we are above the 40 or the 20 EMA for the 6-hour, and we are also above the 50 EMA for the 6-hour. Same with the 4-hour. But we want to get above that on higher time frames to give us more confluence and more confirmation that we can continue up and use these as support. So that's enough for Bitcoin. Let's hop on over to Harmony One. So Harmony One is forming this descending triangle. So here are some price targets for if we break to the downside, and if we break to the upside. Downside would be if we did the same range of where this formed, would be at 2 cents, which I think will probably have some support here at this 50% level at 4 cents. And then we have some targets up here, you know, just reverse this for that trend that started. Target at 14 cents. So maybe here at this Fibonacci here on 14 cents. But if this whole range plays out, it'll go up to here 14 cents. And then the resistance will come in at probably 10 cents. So just pay attention to those 50% because they tend to be very strong support and resistance levels. So just watch these. If we do start to break down here, if we break down with higher volume, then there's higher chance that we could come down here to this full range playing. Same thing with upside. We break to the upside with higher volume, then we potentially could push higher because there's more people coming into the market. Then you just have to watch it every day and just see if volume's dropping off on the way up or on the way down. That'll give you an idea of what's going on. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll have my Twitter link down in the description below, also with the Discord link where you can come join a bunch of like-minded people who just share their ideas and want to help each other make money, because that is the whole goal of this channel, is to help retail become smarter, gain information so they can start to make money also with the bigger players and not get scared and pushed out when they start to manipulate the market and stuff and try and get us to sell our positions to them so they can buy in cheaper. So with that being said, Cryptoverse, back into the stars. We are out of here.